When I call Percy's name, I can see him catch it. His ears twitch, his whiskers stretch forward, and his eyes glow. Percy answers right away.
Percy. Percy.
It made me wonder, why does his reply seem to repeat that note almost identically?
Percy?
Well, not exactly the same, but he often repeats that note when answering.
Percy?
That sound. To me, the note is adorable, but the story behind it is even more remarkable. The answer is, in Percy's own language, shaped by sound, memory, and the way he matches my voice.
Percy!
Cats mostly reserve meows for humans, not for other cats. A trill or chirrup is a friendly contact call that cats share with humans, and sometimes with other cats. Percy answers with a learned signature note he made just for us, because it always gets my attention. Another attention trick. He fine-tunes it to match my tone, rhythm and volume, perfectly matching my voice.
Percy.
Fascinating.
All work is suspended due to an impossibly fluffy, purring presence on my desk. Hey, Percy. What are you up to? I must kiss this adorable monster and give it all the attention it deserves. Immediately. What are you doing there, little one? Do you want to come out and cuddle?